Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax for the first time. First, gather all your necessary documents. This includes your Form W-2 from employers and any Form 1099s for other income. Also, collect statements for interest, dividends, or other earnings. Having these ready will make the process much smoother and help ensure you report all your income accurately. Next, understand your income and potential deductions. Your taxable income includes wages, salaries, and tips. Don't forget any self-employment income. Then, explore deductions and credits that can reduce your taxable income, such as student loan interest or certain educational expenses. These can significantly lower the amount of tax you owe. Now, it's time to choose how you'll file. You can either take the standard deduction, which is a set amount, or itemize if your eligible expenses are higher. Many first-time filers use tax software, which guides you step by step. Alternatively, a tax professional can help ensure everything is correct and optimized for your situation. Finally, thoroughly review your completed tax return before submitting it. Double-check all numbers, especially your Social Security number and bank account details for direct deposit. Once you're confident, submit your return electronically or by mail. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay by the deadline. If you're due a refund, it will be processed after submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.